Good day everyone, so this is teacher Jace again, and in this video we will discuss about the evaluation of function. So in the evaluation of function we need to remember two things. First is the substitution. In substitution we are replacing the variable by its value, and then we need the gemdas. Okay, after replacing the variable by its value, we will evaluate the function using or with the help of gemdas. Gemdas stands for, so we have G for grouping symbols, so meaning kapag napakarami ng operations ang nasa isang equation or expression, we will solve first for the grouping symbols or the operation inside the grouping symbols. Then we have exponents. So after solving the operations in the inside the grouping symbols, we will solve for the exponents. And then we have the M or D. So we have multiplication or division. Kapag nauna yung division, for example, meron tayong case na magkasama yung multiplication division sa isang expression. Kapag nauna yung division, from leftmost part of the equation or the expression, so unay natin mag-divide. Kung mauna naman ang multiplication, mauna tayong mag-multiply. Same with the A or S, o yung total nating addition or subtraction. From the leftmost part of the equation, kapag nauna yung subtraction, mag-subtract tayo. Kapag nauna yung addition, mag-add muna tayo. Okay? Without further ado, so let's have an example in solving a or evaluating a function. 3x, so example number 1. Okay, in example number 1, we have f of x is equal to 3x plus 1, and then we need to solve for f of 1 and f of negative 3. So in that case, we will solve first for the f of 1. So to solve that, first you need to substitute 1 as the value of x. We have 3 times 1 plus 1, or f of 1. Okay, so f of 1 is equal to 3 times 1 plus 1. So as you can see, pinalitan lang natin yung x, okay, ng kanyang value, which is 1. Then evaluate the function. So we have 3 plus 1, then we have 4. So f of 1 is equal to 4. Next, we have the f of negative 3. Okay, so change the value of, or change the variable by its value. So we have 3 times negative 3 plus 1. Okay, so 3 times negative 3, we have negative 9 plus 1, or we have negative 8. So f of negative 3 is equal to negative 8. Okay, next example number 2. So we have f of x is equal to x raised to 2 plus 5x minus 10. Solve for f of negative 2. So again, same procedure. Palitan muna natin lahat ng variable ng kanyang value. So let's write f of negative 2, then equals negative 2 raised to 2 plus 5 times negative 2 minus 10. Okay, then evaluate negative 2 raised to 2. We have positive 4 plus 5 times negative 2, we have negative 10 minus 10. Okay, So, simula tayo sa leftmost part na equation or ng expression. 4 plus negative 10. We have negative 6 minus 10. We have negative 16. Okay, next example. We have f of x is equal to 3x raised to 2 minus 2x plus 13. So, solve for f of 5. So, f of 5 is equal to 3 times 5 raised to 2 minus 2 times 5 plus 13. Okay, so start as exponent. 3 times 5 raised to 2, we have 25 minus 2 times 5, we have 10 plus 13. So 3 times 25, we have 75 minus 10 plus 13. So 75 minus 10 plus 13. So start mo tayo sa leftmost part na equation. 75 minus 10 is equal to 65 plus 13. So we have 78. So f of 5 is equal to 78. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you learn about the evaluation of function. So una, gagawin natin, substitute lang, palitan lang natin yung variable ng kanyang value, and then proceed tayo sa pag-evaluate ng function following the GEM test or the order of the operations. And thank you for watching, and God bless.